Hi guys, ever wondered how to create AI agent without writing a single line of code? Today I'll show you how I can create a customer support agent with the help of Voiceflow without writing a single line of code. So let's go to my screen. Okay, so this is the studio where we have to create our chatbot, and we have got a lot of feature here. So let's start with the AI. So we have got two blocks, response AI and set AI. The response AI is basically used for when we want answer from our LLM, like we have got so much LLM, GPT 3.5 Turbo, Claude Instant 1. And other there are many others. And we can also use knowledge base. So basically, if we want any particular answer from the PDF file, so what we can do is we can just upload any PDF which are related to our work. And from that PDF, if any customer asks any question, they can get answer with the help of the PDF which we have uploaded. So we'll see how it all works. And we have got other option too. So let's start with building our first AI chatbot. uh, One thing more, you can see here if we have got the token uses. So basically, the use of token is whenever we use AI to answer, whenever we use AI in our chatbot, it will consume some amount of token. Like I have already shown you. Uh, Here you can see. Uh, just Here you can see we have got different type of LLM, and based on the LLM, it can see like while giving any answer, it will consume has given different type of token it can consume. So based on the LLM you will use for your chatbot, it will consume that amount of token. And in a free plan, you will get 1 lakh token per month, like 100K token per month in free plan you will get. And if you go with the paid plan, then I think you will get 2 million token per month. So this is all about the voice flow. So let's start with building our first AI chatbot. So this let's start with text. Yes. We'll just connect this. Just rename it as welcome. Okay. We'll just like welcome to the voice flow. How may I assist you? Okay. Now we can also use AI to generate the variant. So basically, variant help us to create a dynamic experience for our customers. So we can just create different variant for this statement. So I'll just generate three variant here. So we have got this one. I think this is perfect. You can just edit and whatever fits, you can just go ahead with this. Okay. So now we have got our first message here. Now we have to just set up our button. You can okay, like shopping products. We can add button customer support, and one more we can add order and return related query. Now today I'll show you with the customer support only. So let's create a new workflow here. Name it as customer support. Create workflow. Okay. So basically now we have to create a intent. So the intent is basically where we want our customer to like let's see if any customer click on this button. So where we want our customer to redirect. So that comes the intent. So if we just create a customer intent here, then whenever the customer click on that button, they will redirect to this section of chatbot. So I'll just have to here we will create new. So let's name it as customer support. Uh, and here you have to give some of the examples which can be asked by our customers so that with the help of NLU, that is National Language Understanding, it can predict what the customer wants to do. And on based on that, it can redirect to the customer on given intent. So in this scenario, the customer wants to reach out to customer support. So what we can do, we can give few example like I need customer support. I want to talk to agent. We can just click on I need help. Customer help. Just like that. We can also generate with the help of AI. We just click on generate 10 sample examples and it will create. And now you can see here it becomes green. That means like our intent is good enough to go. Okay, I think I've already created this. Yeah, so we have created the intent. Now what we need to do is we just need to attach the intent to this button. So we can just click on attach intent. Customer support. Yeah, and now you can also click here action where we want our customer to go. Customer support. So basically now what will happen, I'll show you. First, we have to train our chatbot so that whatever the example which we have fed in the system, it will just get trained with the help of this. And then it is perfect for use. It will take some time, I think. Yeah. So just run test. Okay. Now let's say, welcome to the voice flow. How may I assist you? I just click on customer support. So you can see it redirect to our another workflow that is customer support. Now, let's say if customer doesn't click on that button and they directly type, I want customer support help. So because of NLU, the system can understand what the customer wants, and you can see it again redirect to that customer support. So this is a feature of intent and NLU. Now let's go ahead with the customer support then. Okay, so this I have written this text here, and I can just generate three variant of this. Okay. Now what we can do is we can use knowledge base to answer customer query with the help of AI. So now I have to attach response AI here. Okay, I forgot one thing. We have to capture the customer response. Uh, okay, so whatever the customer will ask, all the response will be saved into this variable called last utterance. So we'll use this variable to answer our question with the help of AI through knowledge base. So we just need to write that variable last utterance, and then we have to follow this. We have to write prompt, like what prompt we need to like based on this prompt only the AI chatbot will answer. So let me just copy paste the prompt. I've already written this prompt and say this variable will last utterance. Okay, so okay, now let's say if customer is not satisfied with the answer given by AI, so what we can do is we can just create text and we can ask customer, like we can ask this. Okay, did the answer solve your problem? You can just generate three variant. Okay, was your question answered? Did the solution help? And was the, yeah. And we can just use button to just ask yes or no. Yes, and we can here we have to just select. Yeah, it is pre-default create in this intent is pre-default created in voice flow. You can just click on yes so that if customer just write yes, then it will follow. And again, you have to add button no, add intent no. Okay, and if yes, we can just directly yeah. Thanks for reaching out to us. If you want more help, free to reach out to us. Free to reach out to us. I'll just create three variant of this. Okay. Now let's say if customer is not satisfied with the answer. So what we can do is we can just Uh, I'm sorry to hear. Again, we can just create different variant. Okay. So now it's completed. Now, uh, what we need to do is we have to collect some of the information from our customer so that it all can be collected in the Google Sheet or Airtable, like it is a just like an Excel sheet only. And from that, our our customer support agent can reach out to the customer and solve their problem. So now we need to collect information. What's your name? We have just written here what's your name. Now we have to capture the response which we'll get from our user. So we just need to, so we will use this variable to collect, like let's say if someone just gives their name, so whatever the name it will be, it will collect in this variable called name. And we can use this variable in later on to transfer our data to the Airtable. So I'll show you further. So now I'll collect some more information. Okay. Let's say email, and we'll create this variable email. So all the whatever the email will be, it will capture in this variable. Now, what's your email? What's your, sorry, your order number? Okay, so we'll just capture the order number here. We'll just create new variable and name it as order number. Okay, so I think we have collected enough info. So now, great. Now, in a short sentence, describe your query. Okay, I think 3 is enough. Now we have to collect the query which customer is facing. Entire user question. We have to just create new variable. User question. Okay. So now after collect to show all the data for from the customer, now we have to use API to connect Voiceflow with the Airtable. So let me introduce Airtable. So Airtable is a database platform where we can store all the data, and it can easily be connected with software like Voiceflow or WordPress. Any software it can easily be connected. So let me show you how you can connect Airtable with the Voiceflow. So basically, first you need to create API token to connect. So let me uh, start with creating token here. So I'll just click on test database. I've already created one database for this video. You can just, I already created 4 column: customer name, email ID, order ID, and customer node. So let me create a API key for this. Okay, create new token. test API tag. Now you need to add all the scope which are present here. Just select the basis which database which you need which you want for token. Okay, we have got this token. So first of all, let's come to Voiceflow and create API block. Okay, since we need to post data from Voiceflow to Airtable, we will use this option post. Now let's first we need to copy the API key, then back to home, done, back to home. Okay, this is our table. Now click on API documentation to connect Airtable with the Voiceflow. Now come to table one and then come to create records. Since we need to post the data, so we will go with this create records. Now copy this one and just paste it here. Oh, yes. Okay. Now copy this one. Okay. Now just click again on plus icon and then set up content type. Okay. Now we need to write a little bit code to send data from Voiceflow to Airtable. So you can also copy from here. We have got this. Just copy it. Okay. Yes. Now I think it's correct. No. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. Now, since we have got, let's start with filling up the details. So first we have to write all the first we need to write all the column which are present here, and in correspondence to that we have to just name the variable which have used to collect that information. So we have collected customer name in name variable. We just write this name variable. Okay. Now we have second column, that is uh, order ID. Now I think it should come. Yes. So 200 okay means it is correct. So you can see we have got the detail. Let me just delete this. Okay. So we have we have completed our API. Now, if the API is success, we'll just give the message. Uh, just a minute. Your ticket has submitted one of our. Okay, just create its 2-3 variant. Okay. Now let's say if our API gets fail, so you can simply due to technical error, your ticket is unable to submit. You can reply via example@gmail.com. Okay. So we have also created the fail path so that like there will be no problem in the future. So this is how we have just created our chatbot. So this is very basic chatbot and any beginner can start creating this after watching this video. So I'll show you how it will work. Let's run our platform. Let's run this chat. Let's first train this chat first. Okay, let's start. So I'll just like need help. Let's see. So it has redirect to our customer. So I want to know delivery policy of the company. So you can see we have got our answer based on the based on whatever the knowledge base which I have provided. So standard delivery time 3 to 5 business days, shipping cost $5 for order below $50. That is too lengthy. So for that we can just what we can do is we can we can just do we can just decrease the token to 120. Now let's see what we'll get. So now you can see we have got more structured answer and you just need to play with the prompt and you will get the desired answer whatever you want. So this is how you can create an AI chatbot with the help of Voiceflow. See, this is very normal chatbot. I've also created one chatbot for a D2C brand. Let me show you. So this is what I created. So it has a lot of workflows and intent and lots of variables. So I think this is a starting point and you can just watch this video and start creating new agents. And I hope you will find this video valuable. And if you think this video will help you, please subscribe my channel and you can watch my latest video coming here. So thank you for watching.